The National Environment and Planning Agency is investigating another fish kill in the Portmore community of Bridgeview, which local authorities say could be the result of a bigger sewage issue across the municipality. Residents are also concerned about the impact on wildlife. Krista Campbell has that story.
There's something in the water at Dawkins Pond which runs through several areas in Portmore, St. Catherine. It caused a fish kill on Thursday, and residents of Bridgeview complain it's not the first time.
There is no particular month, but it happens yearly. This time it's with the small fishes. Last year we had bigger fishes. While it is that we're having a fish kill now, prior to that, you do have something looking like a sewer that runs in between the waterway and then spread across, giving you that brown look. Now, when that doesn't happen, the water is very clear and beautiful.
Now, the Member of Parliament and 2 councillors visited the site of the fish kill on Thursday, but say they're awaiting the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, to confirm what actually caused the problem. But Councillor for the Edgewater Division, Alric Campbell, says it usually happens when a particular sewer pump breaks down.
It was down for a while, but it came back up. And that's why I'm saying that it is because of the surge of it coming back up. The force with which now the effluent is dispelled has caused this. But as I said, that is a layman's view.
Well, the reality is the sewage line has been there for over 50 years. And it's asbestos pipes, So the collapse, so the NWC will change it to UPVC. However, the capacity to really maintain the flow back then is different from now. And especially the new development that is upon us, in terms of these sewage lines are inadequate to cater to the need and the demand of Southeast St. Catherine and Portmore at large.
MP for South East St. Catherine, Robert Miller, says there is a sewage problem across the constituency.
Currently now we have 4 main collapse of sewage in the constituency, to have started in terms of the repair work. I'm imploring to the ministry, of water to let us detain this problem.
Meanwhile, residents say the stench from the fish kill is an inconvenience, especially to those working from home and students doing online classes. And there's a deeper concern about wildlife, especially for residents who fish in the pond recreationally.
My son and I occasionally used to come around here and haul 3-4 pounders. And we haven't seen any. They used to even jump. In the evenings, they jump up out, and we haven't seen any for the longest while.
He says crocodiles, which are usually seen in the pond almost daily, have not been spotted in weeks. Chairman of the Disaster Committee at the Portmore Municipal Corporation, Kennard Grant, says he's hopeful this time around there will be redress.
Whenever we receive the report and then we go and do an investigation, there was nothing normally found at the time. But this time there was evidence and there is enough to make some level of investigation and determination.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.